A frame house stands out with its iconic A-shaped roof design, combining tapered walls with towering ceilings to create a spacious and layered living space. This design not only optimizes indoor lighting and ventilation, but also gives the house a dynamic and rustic beauty, whether in terms of appearance or internal layout. A frame house showcases a minimalist yet exquisite artistic style. The interior of the house often adopts an open layout, reducing unnecessary partition walls and making the space more transparent and open. This not only makes the interior look more spacious, but also facilitates the daily activities and communication of residents.